How to move crypto profits to your bank, cash off-ramps. Many of you are investing in crypto, hoping to strike it rich with that elusive $1 million goal. And hey, that would be a massive payoff, right? But let's face it, not all of us are in it for the long haul. Some of us just want to trade crypto and use it as a currency for everyday transactions. And no matter why you're buying crypto, at some point, you'll need to know how to transfer those funds. Otherwise, you won't be able to cash out and enjoy the fruits of your investment. That's why in today's video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about safely transacting with crypto funds. So, if you're ready to learn how to transfer your crypto from your wallet, keep watching. Welcome to Cryptonomics, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFT, and the blockchain. Make sure to watch the full video and like it if you want to see more of this content. A quick note, we will never ask for your number or personal information, and we will certainly never contact you on WhatsApp. So please be aware of the scams and the spam comments in the comments section. So, in this video, we are going to talk about how to move crypto profits to your bank. If you're new here, consider subscribing to my channel and turning on the bell icon so that you can get notified each time we upload a new video. Remember, this is for entertainment purposes only. This is no financial advice. Now, let's get to it. Transferring cryptocurrencies, whether you're sending them to someone else or converting them into fiat currency, involves a straightforward process. Cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum have become popular digital assets, offering decentralization, security, and potential financial gains. If you're looking to transfer your cryptocurrencies securely and accurately, follow these essential steps. Step 1. Open up your mobile exchange or desktop wallet and look for the Send button. Click on it to get the ball rolling. Step 2. If you have multiple cryptocurrencies in your wallet, choose the one you want to send. Step 3. The person you're sending the crypto to will have a public key or address. It might look like a random string of letters and numbers, or even a fancy QR code. Either way, paste that address into the recipient field in your wallet, or simply scan the QR code. Step 4. Now, this is crucial, guys. Enter the correct amount you want to send. Be careful not to mix up your crypto amount with fiat currency, like dollars. We don't want you accidentally sending 300 bitcoins instead of $300, right? And if the QR code already has the amount embedded, you can skip this step. Step 5. Triple check everything, my friends. Make sure the recipient's address and all the details are accurate. Crypto transactions are irreversible, so we don't want any mistakes here. Step 6. Take a deep breath and hit that Send button once you're absolutely sure everything is correct. Your transaction will start processing, and soon your funds will be on their way. But wait, there's more. Before you send a large amount of crypto for the first time, I highly recommend doing a test run with a small amount. This way you can double check that you have all the correct information and avoid the heartbreak of making a wrong transaction with a big chunk of your precious crypto. Now let's talk about something else you might be wondering, how to transfer your crypto to your bank account. You see, more and more businesses are starting to accept cryptocurrencies as payment. But let's be real, it's not like you can use crypto everywhere just yet. So, if you want to turn your crypto into cold, hard cash that you can spend on anything you want, here are your options. Option 1. Sell your crypto on an exchange platform like Robinhood, Coinbase, or Binance US. These platforms make it super easy for newbies and crypto enthusiasts alike. They'll buy your digital assets and pay you within minutes. Easy peasy, right? But keep in mind, withdrawing your money to your bank account might take a few days, depending on the platform and your location. Option 2. How about using a Bitcoin ATM? Yeah, you heard me right. Bitcoin ATMs are popping up all over the place, and they allow you to deposit and withdraw cash without the hassle of going to the bank. Just follow the steps on the screen, and you'll be converting your crypto into cash in no time. But remember, Bitcoin ATMs might have limits on how much you can deposit or withdraw, and they can charge high transaction fees. Option 3. If you prefer a more direct approach, some platforms offer Bitcoin debit cards. You can sell your crypto and receive your earnings in the form of a prepaid debit card. Then you can use it like a regular debit card for shopping or withdrawing at ATMs. You can even transfer the money from your Bitcoin debit card to your bank account. Pretty cool, huh? And hey, before you go, let's talk about fees. I know fees can be a pain, but they're a reality when it comes to buying or selling crypto. Here's what you need to know. Trading fees. Most exchange platforms charge a small fee, usually around 0.1% to 0.2%, whenever you sell or buy crypto. It might not seem like much, but if you're a frequent trader, those fees can add up. Premiums. Some exchanges charge a premium on the crypto they sell. This means you might end up paying more than the actual market price, so be aware of that when choosing where to trade. Funding and withdrawal fees. Certain platforms may charge you fees for depositing or withdrawing funds. The amount and process can vary, so keep an eye out for those fees. Transaction fees. When you send your crypto to your wallet, you'll usually have to pay a small transaction fee. It goes to the miners who process the transaction and add it to the blockchain. The fee stays the same, regardless of how much crypto you're buying. Bank fees. Don't forget that your bank might charge you fees when you withdraw crypto to your bank account. Also, if you're converting to a non-US dollar account, your bank might use an unfavorable exchange rate. But wait, there's good news too. You can minimize these fees by choosing the right trading option. Some platforms, like Robinhood, offer zero fees on all crypto transactions. So do your research and find the most cost-effective platform for your needs. And finally, let's talk taxes. Taxes are no fun, but they're an important part of dealing with crypto. In the United States, virtual currencies are considered taxable property. So, whenever you buy, sell, or trade crypto, the government expects its share. If you've held onto your crypto for more than a year and sell it at a profit, you'll have to pay long-term capital gains tax. But if you sell at a loss, you won't owe any capital gains tax. The rate can vary, so make sure to check the latest regulations. On the other hand, if you sell your crypto within a year of acquiring it, you'll be subject to income tax instead of capital gains tax. Remember, you only have to pay taxes when you trade with your crypto, not when it's sitting in your wallet. And here's a little word of caution. Don't try to avoid paying taxes on your crypto trades. The IRS is watching, and they'll come knocking if you neglect your tax obligations. So, pay up and avoid the penalties, confiscations, and potential jail time. Phew, that was a lot of information. I hope you found this video helpful for all your crypto transactions. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. And as always, if you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy crypto trading, my friends.